Rounding off of numbers to the nearest 100. Examples. Round the following numbers to the nearest 100. The first number here is what? 950. Now, we apply the principle of 100, tens, and units. So we have units at the back, which is U. Then we have 10. Then this is 100. Now, since we are rounding off to the nearest 100, where do we have H? H is on top of 9. So in this case, we are considering 9. Now, what is at the back of 9? That is the number immediately after 9 is 5. And that number now, we are going to take 1 from the number and add it to 9. 1 plus 9 will give us 10. And the position of 5 will turn to 0. And don't forget the last number is also 0. So it means that 1000 is an approximate to 950 to the nearest 100 rather. So in this case, the second question we have 8084. So we apply the principle of 100, tens, and unit also, which is unit here, and we have 10 and we have 100. We need this. And this one is 1000, don't forget. So where do we have H? H is on top of 0. So in this case, we are directly considering 0. So it means that what is the number after 0? We have 8, which is even more than 5. So in this case, we are going to pick 1 from 8 and add it to this 0. What do we have? 1. So we now have 8, 1, and the position of 8 will turn to 0. Likewise, the position of 4 will turn to 0. So in this case, we have 8100 as an approximate to the nearest 100 to 8894. The third question, we have 89,000. Now let's take it from the back. Unit, then we have 10, we have 100. What do we have? We have 1000, we have 10,000. So in this case, where do we have H? H is on top of 0, this particular 0. And what do we have at the back of this 0? The number directly after this 0 is also 0. So it means that this 0 will remain the same. So it means that we now have 89, which is this 0. We're already having 0 here. And we're having 0 here. So it means that 89,000 is still equals to 89,000 when you approximate it to the nearest 100. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.